technology. Now, yung energy na binanggit mo, Kuya Germs, na nasa product natin ay scalar energy. At yun po ay nagre-resonate sa body cells natin.
Yes.
Kasi yung cell ng katawan ng tao, meron po siyang kuryente, positive and negative charge. Now, pagka kumikilos tayo, nagdi-discharge siya, nagdi-discharge. So, nalolobat tayo. Para ma-recharge tayo, kailangan natin kumain at saka kailangan natin din magpahinga, right?
Yes, yes.
But then, dahil sa exposure natin sa mga radiation at saka sa stress ng buhay, hindi natin alam na talagang bawas ng bawas yan sa ating energy. With this, ito po ay scientific breakthrough, invention. Pwede po, it acts like a charger of our cells. Kaya kapag kasuot mo, yung strength mo lalakas, yung pong sense of balance mo ay gaganda, at saka yung focus, and also stamina. Kaya po, lalo-lalo sa inyo, Kuya Germs, no, programa nyo talagang hectic, schedule nyo na...
At yung oras namin.
Yes, walang tulugan. Eh, ang hirap no, pinapanood ko, sabi ko, nakakatagal sila, Kuya Germs.
Teka muna, saan nagmula talaga ito? Dito ba sa ating bansa?
What is this really made of? Yan.
Well, it's
Yung
made
pendant.
of, itong pendant is made of minerals yan, no? Fused together, and then meron tayong tinatawag na patented technology that fuse the scalar energy in it. Kaya hindi nawawala yon, hindi nauubos. It's lifetime.
So yung energy that has been used by the body, ito parang, kumbaga sa parang binabuffer niya to regain recharge ang wow,
parang
that's cool.
baterya yan, recharge ang ating
And it comes in a simple pendant. I have one. Sabi ko kay Kuya Germs, ito yung akin. Composed of minerals ito, di ba? Itong mga
actually, ito pong flask ay lalagyan ng tubig, no? So, pag inilagay nyo yung water dito sa flask, ang nangyayari sa tubig, yung molecules ng H2O, yung molecules niya, na-unclamp yun. Pag ininom mo yun, pasok kagad sa cells natin.
Yes.
And so, hydrated tayo and energized tayo. Kaya maganda po itong meron tayong ganito.
So there's something in this canister na katulad itong suot natin na pendant. That's good.
Yung same technology, including
the one in the watch.
May watch naman.
At saka sa bracelet.
Wow.
Kung ano po yung suot-suot natin na pendant, Kuya Germs, meron din yan dyan.
It's included there.
Yes, so
you can pick your choice kung ano yung gusto mong isuot, yung babagay.
So in general, sir, Pastor pala, na kapag kunyari yung health ninyo ay medyo nagkasakit kayo or yung hindi pa nagkakasakit, both ways, can be helped by your quantum pendant, di ba?
Yes.
That's good.
Ano may dadagdag mo?
Yes, paano kung gusto nilang, if they're
it's
interested?
preventive,
Yes.
actually. Actually, ako po, just ang experience ko, I've been suffering from a lower lumbar problem for so long.
Okay.
And I've been really, every time umaatake, I really cry to death. But when I started wearing the pendant, thank God, I never had the pain. Really.
And Pastor?
And Pastor, your
Ako naman po,
experience of it?
7 years I have a migraine and then na-trigger yung astigmatism. I used to wear eyeglass before. But right now, after using the pendant, nawala po yung migraine ko and then 2020 na yung vision ko. So, nakatulong sa akin, in-endorse ko sa mga in-laws ko, siyempre sa mga mahal ko sa buhay. Even my wife. Ito po yung yung tumor niya sa leeg, spot na lang after 8 months of using this
Okay, paano sila magkakaroon nito? In what way? Paano makakontak?
May telepono kaya ata dyan.
Meron po kaming, for those of you who are interested, you may call 0922-874-3883 or 0917-486-7883, and you may email us at joy.fusionexcel@gmail.com.
Ayan.
Wow.
Maliwanag yan.
Good news
A
for
lot of
all
people
our
will be
viewers.
interested.
Kung gusto nyo po, me particularly, I'm gonna try it because you know that my health recently was really jeopardized, but I can see, I can feel that I feel something energized and everything. So I'll tell you, ako ang magiging living proof nyo, tsaka Kuya Germs. It comes in fancy pendants, so it doesn't matter whether it's with metal
It's an
or a
accessory
plain
at
one
the
like
same time.
you have.
Pero beware of yung mga imitation.
Imitation.
Yung mga-
Actually, it comes with a certification. Ay, wag di ko dala dito.
Baka yung number na
It comes with a
tatawagan
card.
niyo yung mga numbers lang na sinabi ni Joy.
Yes.
Diba?
And you may also check our website, fusionexcelmanila.com.ph. And at this point, Kuya
Napansin
Germs,
namin, Kuya Germs, walang suot si Miss Jackie.
Ah.
Meron din ako. To
Ah.
complement my healthy lifestyle.
Yes.
Mas lalo pa akong gaganda. Paano na yan?
Mas mapaganda yan.
Okay.
Oh, show them the card, Joy. Yeah, yun yung card na
Authenticity card.
This is what we
Kasi
call
maraming
authenticity
kumakalat na
card.
fake
Okay.
pendants.
So kung baga sa mga iba, pag walang ganito, ibig sabihin, it doesn't come from
Yeah,
you.
and it has a serial
It doesn't work.
number.
It doesn't work.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Same number.
And
Sa
very
product
careful
sa
kayo
serial
dahil
So,
medyo
ano,
breakable
and-
siya, no? So, you...
Pwede ba itong mabasa? Okay lang ba itong
Yes,
mabasa? Or
yes,
do you have
yes.
to remove it when you...
No, pwedeng mabasa siya.
Okay.
Kaya lang naman tinatanggal ng iba kasi this is a cotton string niya.
Okay.
Pag napalitan ng ganito, pwedeng mabasa.
You can change.
Ikaw maglalagay sa akin?
Okay, sige.
Yan.
Thank you
And
very
of
much.
course, habang kinakabig
Yes, with that. Thank you very much, Pastor Art, Pastor
Thank
Medina.
you.
Joy, nice to see you again.
Thank you.
And good luck. Again, just remember those numbers. This time naman, we have an ambassador of Fusion Excel for Hope for Children program. Congratulations sa last concert niyo sa Araneta Coliseum. That's also for the children. I heard that there were really a lot of people, and Kuya Germs, I think, was there. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome live dito sa Walang Tulugan, a 9-year-old debonair singer, Clark Gamul.